fix Apple Intelligence not showing. Are you excited about the new Apple Intelligence feature on iOS 18.1? With this update, you can now use ChatGPT directly through Siri, and it even allows you to summarize emails and notifications for easy access to important content. But if you're struggling to get it to show up, here are some quick fixes to help. First, let's start with compatibility. Currently, Apple Intelligence only works on the iPhone 16 series, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you're using a different model, you may need to upgrade your device. Additionally, Apple Intelligence is region restricted. It's not available in the European Union or China. However, if you're in the EU, you can bypass this by changing your region and language settings to the United States. Unfortunately, this workaround doesn't apply for users in China. Another thing to note is that even if your device and region are compatible, you'll need to join a waitlist to activate Apple Intelligence, so a little patience might be required. To make Apple Intelligence appear on your device, set your region to United States and language to English, United States, under Settings, General, Language, and Region. Once your device reloads, go to the Apple Intelligence and Siri settings and check if the waitlist option appears. If it still doesn't show up, try setting Siri's language to English, United States. Restart your phone, and re-enable Apple Intelligence. You can also turn off Apple Intelligence, restart the device, and then turn it back on as an additional step. If you've upgraded to iOS 18 specifically for Apple Intelligence but find your phone incompatible or restricted, consider downgrading to iOS 17. Using a tool like Reboot can simplify this process. Just remember that downgrading will erase all data, so back up your device before proceeding. Hopefully, these tips help you unlock Apple Intelligence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions you might have.